Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this hair growth oil using some extremely nutrient rich hair growth herbs which is easily available in your kitchen shelf, and research shows that certain nutrients including iron, zinc and vitamins are essential for your hair, but lack of these essential nutrients can cause hair loss and also slower the growing of your hair. So these exotic nutrients can be found at your home and in your kitchen shelf. The first nutrient-rich ingredient is mint leaves. It contains manganese, copper, vitamin C, minerals like beta-carotene and folate, which are important for your hair. Next is hibiscus flowers, which contains keratin, riboflavin, niacin, calcium and vitamin C. Other ingredient would be curry leaves, which contain vitamin C, A, B and E, which will help your scalp fight infections and can enliven your hair with vitality. So I am taking all these ingredients in dried form. These are the dried curry leaves. I am taking one bunch of it. You need to just wash those curry leaves and dry it in the shade. Next is the hibiscus flowers. I have taken 3 to 4 flowers of this, which I have cleaned again and dried it in shade. These are useful for your hair oil and even hair pack. The next would be mint or puna leaves. These are one bunch of leaves which again I have washed, cleaned and dried in the shade for at least 3 to 4 days. So these are the 3 ingredients which would go in making of the oil, and a combination of these ingredients are a great source of vitamins and antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall, reduce dandruff, head lice and treat other scalp infections. The other important ingredient would be zinc, which is very necessary for the hair growth. Therefore, I'm using a zinc tablet. Zinc plays an important role in hair tissue growth and repair. It helps to keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly, therefore promoting hair growth and reduce hair fall. So this is the zinc tablet which I am taking. You can find it in any chemist stores. I am using 3 to 4 of these tablets. So here in a mixer jar, I am going to add all the ingredients along with the leaves and the tablets, and I want to make it into a fine powder. So this is how it looks after you grind. I am getting at least 1 cup of these herbs for 200 ml of the oil which I am going to make. This is the zinc enriched hair growth powder, which you can store it in an airtight container for at least 6 months in the refrigerator and use whenever you want. So to make this oil, I am going to take a clean jar and I want to add all the herbs which I have just made into the bottle. You could use a spoon if you want, and add 200 ml of coconut oil. I am using coconut oil. You can also use olive oil and any hair oil like castor oil, which suits your hair, mustard oil, or a combination of all these oils. But I am taking 200 ml, so make sure that you also add the combination of oils as 200 ml. So here I'm going to mix it everything thoroughly, shake the bottle well enough so that it combines with the oil, and keep it in the sun for at least a week. Make sure that you keep it in a proper sunlight, and keep on shaking the bottle whenever you find that it is settled, so that the herbs are mixed well in the oil. It takes at least 1 week for the oil to be ready. As you can see, the herbs have soaked enough of oil and settled down, and the oil has changed its color. Now it is the time to strain out the oil from the residue. To strain it, I am taking a clean bowl with the strainer. You can also use a clean cloth and strain out every bit of the oil into the bowl. Squeeze tightly so that you can squeeze out enough of the oil. So this oil is ready. You can store this oil in a bottle and store it for at least 3 months at room temperature. To use this, you can just warm 2 to 3 spoons of this oil and apply on your scalp and to the entire length of your hair. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours and shampoo with mild shampoo. So use this regularly and see how it makes the difference to you and your hair. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please share and comment. Thanks for watching.